Greetings from HeartCare Foundation of India. The topic for today is bloated and gassy feeling in abdomen is related to faulty lifestyle. Quite often patient comes to us that they are complaining of a gas in the abdomen. Either they pass more gas, that means they burp, or they pass more gas like a flatus. That means either it can be a small intestinal in origin or large intestinal in origin. Abdominal discomfort quite often is mistreated as a gallbladder stones, and we know that gallbladder stones can be associated with dyspepsia but does not cause dyspepsia, and one should not remove gallbladder stones for the purpose that the person is having gallbladder associated with dyspepsia. Allopathy is relatively silent about this issue, but Ayurveda talks about this issue in great detail. According to Ayurveda and naturopathy, anything which can be split into two equal parts, any food or vegetable or grain, if eaten raw or if it is boiled directly, can cause gas. For example, if you take lentils or pulses, if they are soaked in water for 12 hours and then cooked or boiled, they will not cause gas, but if they are directly boiled or cooked, they will produce gas. According to that science, anything which is grown under the ground, if eaten raw without soaking them into water or without boiling them, can also cause gas. Any leafy vegetable on the ground like cauliflower, if eaten raw, will produce gas. Milk sometimes produces gas, and they say that if you boil milk 3 times or if you add ginger or adrak into it, then milk will not cause gas formation in the body. Next time when you have gas, before writing him an antacid or a PPI, which in long term can harm, first look for natural factors, and if these natural factors can be treated, why not treat the patient with that?